Hi, let's look at this question. 25 over 9 to the power of x is equals to 27 over 125 to the power of x plus 3 over 2. Okay, so what is the next step here? Okay, on the right hand side, the power, as you can see, I have x plus 3 over 2, and I can break it up to x over 2 plus 3 over 2. Okay, if you recall your indices rule, we say that am times an is equals to am plus n. Okay, so you can see that if the powers can be added together, it means that effectively I can break it up into two separate terms. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do in the next step. So 25 over 9 to the power of x here is equals to 27 over 125 to the power of x over 2 multiplied by 27 over 125 to the power of 3 over 2. Okay, so that is the next step. And once that is done, I can bring the x term over. So all the x terms will be on the left hand side. So 25 over 9 to the power of x divided by 27 over 125 to the power of x over 2 equals to 27 over 125 to the power of 3 over 2. Okay, once I do this, the next step will be to change the divide to a multiply. So 25 over 9 to the power of x multiply by 125 over 27 to the power of x over 2 equals to 27 over 125 to the power of 3 over 2. Okay, so from this step onwards, what we can do next is to put all the numbers into the indices form. So I have 5 squared over 3 squared to the power of x multiplied by 5 cubed over 3 cubed to the power of x over 2 and 3 cubed over 5 cubed to the power of 3 over 2. Okay, so the next step here would be would be 5. I can bring out the common power here. So 5 over 3 to the power of 2x multiplied by 5 over 3 to the power of 3x over 2 equals to 3 over 5 to the power of 9 over 2. Okay. Now, as you can see, both the bases here are same, so I can apply the indices rule again and combine them to a single base. So the powers will add up together. 2x plus 3x over 2 equals to 3 over 5 to the power of 9 over 2. Okay, and then sorry about some additional things written the lower page here. Okay, so let's carry on. What I have is 5 over 3 to the power of 7x over 2 is equals to 3 over 5 to the power of 9 over 2. Okay, so what do we do now? We can see that the two numbers for the bases, they are inverted. Okay, so if you recall the indices rule, a to the power of n is equals to 1 over a to the power of minus n. Okay, so applying that, okay, if I say 3 over 5 is to the power of n, I will be equals to 1 over 3 over 5 to the power of minus n, which is, and 1 to the power of anything will be the same anyway, so I can rewrite this as minus n, so this will be equivalent to 5 over 3 to the power of minus n. Okay, so as you can see, if I have a fraction and I want to invert the base, I can just change the sign of the power and I'll get this. So applying that rule here, I can rewrite this as 5 over 3 to the power of 7x over 2 as 5 over 3 to the power of minus 9 over 2. Okay, so once I'm done with that, you can see that both the bases have the same power. Okay, so means both the bases are the same, so it means that both the powers are the same. Okay, so 7x equals to minus 9, x equals to minus 9 over 7, which is minus 1 and 2 over 7. Okay, so that is your final answer here. Thank you.